PSI portable air compressor maximizes your tire's ability while saving you money. Its simple and lightweight design means it travels anywhere you do. Just stow it in your vehicle's trunk, garage, toolbox, or anywhere you might need it. Set it and forget it means that after setting your desired pressure, the compressor will inflate up to your preset level and automatically turn off. This compressor fills tires on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles with ease. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading. We're also throwing in a clip-on shuck to make inflating your tires even easier. Included accessories make it simple to inflate sports equipment and other inflatables.
To keep an eye on our children when we are in our cars. The Shine Arc Baby Car Mirror can help you do just that. It's like having a baby monitor in the car with you. The Shine Arc Baby Car Mirror has a lightweight design. It is made with an impact-resistant acrylic safety glass, surrounded by a black, curved ABS plastic frame. In the event of a crash or accident, you can ensure your baby is safe due to its shatterproof design. The mirror is simple and quick to install. The black polymer plastic holds the mirror tightly in place. The easy-to-fit mirror attaches in seconds to the rear seat headrest. The mirror is equipped with adjustable nylon straps, making it compatible with most vehicles. It rotates 360 degrees for a clear view at your desired viewing angle. Because of the wide-angle mirror design, it always allows you to have full sight of your precious infant when they are in a rear-facing baby seat, with a lifetime satisfaction guarantee.
Introducing AutoXescape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, AutoXescape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, AutoXescape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. AutoXescape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, AutoXescape is ready to go. AutoXescape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold AutoXescape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. AutoXescape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. AutoXescape by